Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect Exness to TradingView. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, you just have to open up your internet browser and go to tradingview.com. And then you just have to create an account on their website, and then you have to follow these steps. So once you have signed up for Exness at TradingView, just enable the Exness integration in TradingView, then obtain your Exness API credentials, and then just input your Exness API credentials in TradingView, and then you just have to verify the connection. So once you have entered the API credentials, TradingView will attempt to connect to your Exness account. If the connection is successful, you should see your Exness account details displayed in the broadcast section of TradingView. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.